Rebecca. I'm a CS student working on the flipbook project. So what this is we tried to create an interface that professional or amateur artists like me could use to create a basic flipbook just with line drawings. We didn't want to clutter it with color or anything like that. Just wanted to keep it as a simple, helpful tool. And there we go. I really liked being able to use different view models to get a sense of what I was working on. So this is great because it shows you all the frames and you can just choose one, and then if that's what you want to work on, set that to be your act. As well, I really liked having preview functionality. So if I choose a frame, and I can preview the frame before and after it, just to get an idea if there's flow on the local area I'm working on. Those are some of the features that I love about our project.
Hello, I'm Ashish and I'm one of the computer science students working on the flipbook project, and I'm here going to talk about some of the features that we have in the project and how they can aid artists in their flipbooking experience. So a couple of things I want to talk about is, actually two, is tracing and flipping. And what we're trying to do is to have the traditional flip expression of flip action of artists to take feedback from the previous form without having to block the view from the paper that's been flipped. And that's one of the great things about using soft view.
Oh no, 1, 2, 3, okay.
Alright, so I'm going to show you two of the features that are my favorite because I'm not a professional artist, so I like to trace a lot. And so the trace feature is quite handy, and the way it works is you go draw and you turn on tracing. And what it does is, as you're drawing the current frame, it draws an illustration of the same on the next frame, so you can see a blurred line. And now what I can do is I can trace on this.
Great. And
create a little variation for the moving hold effect. So you could play it and see that the object moves a little bit. So that's the tracing. Flip works in the other way. So let's say that if I add a new page and I want to see what the previous page was to draw it, but not necessarily to bring it into the view, I can actually turn on flipping, and so I see the previous view that's here, and maybe I want to create an object at a distance from the previous one, so I can just turn it off and there's my new view. So I could play this and you can see how object moves over time. So yeah.
Okay. Hello, I'm OCAD student. I'm Kathy. I'm very happy to work with UT students. Very cool function is this. We have another guide bar here, because when the traditional artists drawing the interface, they will use their left hand to flick the paper. And this, in the left, in the corner of the left here, have the toolbar, so I can just flick the page here. It's a very organic way to use that. Traditional way, when the artist drawing in the big printing board, it's hard to rotate the paper, but in this soft interface, I can rotate it very easily and draw a line in different angle. Draw a circle here. That's very convenient.